If you've been wondering how to turn off the app lock feature in your OneDrive app so you can get in and out without entering a passcode every time, you're in the right place. By the end of this quick guide, you'll know exactly how to breeze through your files without interruptions, while still staying in control of your device's overall security. Let's get started together. First, go ahead and open your OneDrive app on your phone or tablet. You want to make sure you're opening the OneDrive app and not the website, since the settings we're after are only available and adjustable within the app itself. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to sign in with your Microsoft account so you can see your usual files and folders. It might take a second for your stuff to load up. Don't worry, that's completely normal. Now at the top of the app, look for your profile icon. This is usually a little circle in the corner, and it often shows your initials or a tiny photo if you've set one. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. Why are we doing this? Because the profile menu is where all the behind-the-scenes controls for your account live, including all sorts of preferences and security options. Think of this as stepping behind the counter in a store. Suddenly you see all the tools for managing your experience. Once your profile menu pops open, find the option labeled Settings and tap on it. The Settings section is like your app's control center. Everything from how OneDrive looks to how it syncs, and yes, even how it locks itself will be found here. We're headed to the place where you can fine-tune your OneDrive experience to fit your needs. You might notice there are a lot of different settings inside. Don't feel overwhelmed. Just scroll down the list slowly until you spot App Lock. Sometimes things are organized with little sections or categories, so take your time here. App Lock is the part of the app that requires you to enter a PIN or use your fingerprint each time you open OneDrive. This adds a layer of privacy, which is useful if you share your device with someone else or just want to keep files extra protected. But if you find it's become more of a hassle than a help, you're in the right spot to change it. Once you've tapped on App Lock, you'll see the option to turn it off. Just go ahead and tap that. The app might pause for a moment and ask you to confirm that you really want to disable this feature. Take a second here. Remember, turning off App Lock means that anyone who has your device could potentially open OneDrive without any extra passcode or fingerprint check. If you're confident that your phone itself is well secured with a password, pattern, or biometric lock, you're all set. Now finally confirm by clicking Turn Off. That's it. The app might close the settings menu or show you a quick message saying App Lock is disabled. From now on, you'll be able to open the OneDrive app without that extra step. And that's all there is to it. Simple, straightforward, and you're back to quick access. If this guide helped you out, give us a thumbs up so more people can find it. If you ran into any issues, drop a question in the comments and I'll try to help you out directly. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.